Welcome back, Python coders. Last time we cracked the logic behind a mastermind game. Today we are shifting gears to build something practical and powerful, a to-do list in Python. Whether it's groceries, homework, or your next big idea, this project will help you stay organized and in control. So let's dive in. So very first thing is to make a text file. I have named it as to-do, and then what are we going to do in the program is first we will input or we'll open the file, which is this text file. We'll open this, and then we will print the welcome message, and we'll give options to the user like to add task, view, remove, or exit. Then we will create some functions and we'll take input from the user. So as per their choice, they can either add, view, remove, or exit the program. And after that, we need to take input, like if they choose to add task, then we will give one more input to the we'll ask one more input from the user, so which task to be added or which task to be removed if they select the remove task. If they ask for the view task, then we simply print the task, the list which we are going to make. So let us start. Task is equal to an empty list, and now we are going to open the file todo.txt, and we will open it as read. R means read as file. Then content equals to file.read, and task is equal to content.splitlines. And then we can print task. We can comment this later, but now we can print just to show you what's going behind the program. And now we will print the welcome message. To-do list manager. Now we will give options to the users. Options /n, and then option 1 is add task, 2 is view task, and third option is to remove task, and 4 is exit. Now we will create one while loop, while equals to true, so that the program can run again and again and will only exit when the user wants to exit, that is the user presses 4. Okay, now let us input the choice of the user. Enter your choice. One more parenthesis, and then we'll start. If x is equal to 1, it means the user wants to add a task. So for that, we will take the input from the user again, what task is to be added. Enter the task. You can even write you want to add something like that. Then we will append, that means we will add this task to our empty list which we created above. Then we will create one function named as save. So when that task will be appended in this task list, then it will go to the same save function. So let us write this save function. Let us write it here, def save. And what are we going to write here is, first we will open that file in which we need to write, and then we will write the task there, that is with open to do dot txt and then a comma and then ww means to write as out, and then we will use the for loop to write all the mm, to write all the tasks written in the list named as tasks. So add dot write means uh, that for every t in task, that is if task has many like to cook or dinner like this, then first it will take to cook, then it will be written in the file, then it will move to the next line, and like this flow goes on. The second one was dinner as I said, so it will write dinner and then it will move to the next line like that, and then we will close this file out.close. Alright, so the next thing is to view the task, because x is equals to 2 means view task. So if the user wants to view the task, then we can simply print our list. When we print this list named as task, then automatically all the list is or all the work in the list is printed. Okay, so the next option for the user is to type 3. Type it 3 means that the user wants to remove a task, so for that we need to take input from the user, so we can write enter the task to be removed or simply enter the task, and then we will write task dot remove y. So it means from the list named as task, this y will be removed, and then we will save. Else if x is equals to 4 means the user wants to exit, so we have written here exit, that is he will exit from the program. Else we will print please choose 1 2 3 or 4. So this is the program. Here first we had made an empty list named as task, then we have opened the file, which is the text file here, and we have read the content, and then for the content is the whole, like if we say it's written to cook and dinner, so both will be saved in content, cook and to cook and dinner like this, but in task it will be in different lines because it is written content dot split line, so it means it will consider to cook and dinner in different lines in task or as different elements of a list, you can say. And then it will print the welcome message that to do list manager and options are these. And then we started the while equals to true loop. This means that this loop, whatever is written in while true, this will be repeated again and again until and unless the user opts for 4, which is to exit the program. If the user does not input 1, 2, 3 or 4, then it will be simply repeated that please choose either of these. If the user chooses 1, then we will ask to enter the task to be added, and then it will be added in the list, and then it will be saved in this text file as well. So how it will be saved in this text file is written here in def save. It will open this text file and it will rewrite all the tasks written in this list. So if like to cook and dinner are already written and we write lunch there, then it will first remove to cook and dinner and then rewrite to cook dinner and lunch. So this is how this works. And the second one is to view. So we just simply print the task list to view all the tasks, and when it comes to remove, then we have used this list function task.remove by. If you want to learn more list functions, then you can go to my Learn Python series where I have made several videos for it. And so here I have used task remove, so this task will be removed from the list and then save. So I have already told you how the save function works. Okay, so let's run the program now. So you can see we had printed the list, so it's empty right now. It is just to show you how this program is working. Otherwise there is no need to print the task before. Okay, so let's add task to cook. Enter your choice. So again, uh, first let us view. So you can see to cook is added to our list. Okay, so if we add task again, then if we add lunch, and if we view this again, so you can see to cook lunch. Okay, if we enter dinner, and if we enter one more, for example, to watch television, and then we view, you can see to cook lunch, dinner, to watch TV, all is written, all are written here. Now if you wanna remove, so if you want to remove lunch, then you can see. Now let us view. So you can see lunch is removed from here. Like this, we can remove all the elements also. And if you want to exit, then we can simply press the 4. Then it exit. Okay. So let us just try once more and just comment this. If you want to add task, lunch, more watch TV, more dinner. Now this spelling is wrong, so let us remove this. So 3 means to remove, and then we'll write this dinner. And now let us view. So you can see previously we had to cook dinner to watch TV here, and now we have to cook dinner to watch TV the same as before, and we had added watch TV and lunch. So this is added to our list. Although we had started the program again, but the ones already added to the list are not yet removed. This is the use of this file, and that's why we have saved it here. So you can see in this file also, if I just show you, to cook dinner, to watch TV, lunch and watch TV, you can see all the same is written here. Now if we just remove something like to watch TV, and we enter to view the list, then you can see this one is removed. And now if we see this file and reload it, then you can see it is removed from here also. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Happy coding.